Sisters. No. No. No.
This is our infamous reaction video to One Guy, One Screwdriver.
I'm not looking.
And this is, no, you're looking.
Oh,
You're looking.
these are my wisdom teeth removed. No.
If I have to watch it, you have to watch it, dude. Think we're doing it for everybody else on the planet to watch. For their amusement.
Everybody else on the planet. I don't want them to have any amusement. I want to be amused by watching them all suffer.
We're putting it on YouTube, you know that, right?
Oh, good. I hope they all know I hate them.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, this is gonna suck.
Oh, God. Oh.
The freaking voice freaks me out. The little kid.
Come on. Why was there even a kid present? Like, oh, let me make my daughter watch me do this.
I'm not doing that.
I'm not gonna jerk off ever again after. No, no. I can't watch. Somebody give me like a knife. I'm gonna stab myself in the eye after watching that. Oh.
Could you guys stop screaming?
No!
Oh, yes.
That was horrible.
What?
You don't want to know, young lady.
What was it?
You don't want to know. Whoa.
What was it?
Oh, give it to AJ. He said he just had himself. Give it to AJ. Give it to AJ. Give it to AJ. Give it to one.
Not till you tell me. What was it?
His annoying little sister is here.